life of Sir Jules. Dang, today is so boring. What should we do? I don't know. Look, somebody's coming. Oh yeah, let's be silent. Man, I'm stamping. Ooh, Sir Jules. I don't know if that candy or not. Take us a guess. Where are we? Can't wait to eat these Jules. Wait, no, I have a family. Your boy have free. Wait, no. Help. Let's get out of here. Red.
I'm coming, baby. Where are we? I don't know, bro.